Let's soon find out. That's it, and that's where everyone used to sit.
What, down there?
Yeah, we're going to go around there.
What?
This is like two little toilet blocks here. There should be a toilet there, and a toilet there.
Come on, let's go.
Right, don't try to torture me. Right, slow down, you.
What? There's a plate.
Yeah, leave it alone, leave it alone. Don't go touching anything. Right, just wait slowly. Wait, slower, you.
Huh?
Slower, because there could be some hazards. So slow down.
What hazards?
A hole. There's another entrance there, look. They blocked it up with all that concrete, look. Slow down. More toilets there, look. That's the escape hatch there, look.
What, that?
Yeah.
What, so now we're going back?
No, that's another way in and out there, because they blocked that off with concrete as well, look.
But where's the other way?
There's another one in a minute, we'll go look at it in a second. Look, there's a root off a tree or a plant there, look.
There it is.
A woodlouse hanging about. Look at the size of those old nails.
Jeez. Come, let's get out.
But this is where, look, can't see all these along the side? There's a bit of wood there, that's where people used to have to sit while the bombs were all going off. And if you look around, there might be drawings on the wall somewhere, or some writing. So have a look around and see if you find some drawings or a wall.
What the hell is that?
A lid off a tin of some description.
Or like a cooking thing?
Yeah, but let's have a look around on the walls. Mind you don't walk into them irons hanging out the wall.
Okay.
There's a light there, Kai. That's where a light was, look.
Oh yeah, come on, let's go back.
Look, old tin can.
What?
Old tin can there.
Oh yeah.
Any drawings? What's that say, look?
Grand of many.
There's a little picture of a face there, look.
Oh yeah.
That was,
And another one.
that was a bit of newspaper stuck up against it and it's come off with a print or something.
Yeah, that must have been the middle.
They've been there for over 60 years now.
What? Another one.
That doesn't look, that looks new. Somebody played noughts and crosses maybe when they were bored.
Yeah. When they're like waiting for the bombs to start, I guess they're playing that. There's a line there. Cover.
Yeah. And so down here. Right, turn the torch off then, you can see now, good boy. Right, pass me the torch. The shelter is now closed to the public. Chuck it down, don't be picking anything up. Yeah, do you want this torch? Yeah, all tin cans on the toilet, yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty. There's some cans.
Yeah, right, just wait a second. What's all on the floor?
Let's see what's on the walls as well.
You can check that on the way out. Look, there's an escape hatch there. There. Got concrete on the top. Yeah, what's that say on the bear? Trying to talk to the bear.
Smoking.
Strictly prohibited. Dogs not allowed or not admitted. There's a cable in the toilets in there, look.
I'm a bit cable.
No, you're not. Leave the cable alone.
Do
Just leave everything alone. There's a crack there, look.
What?
There. Oh, it's newish.
Yeah. That's something. That's
Another entrance. Yeah, it just had gates on it though, to stop people coming in. That's what these have, just little gates to stop people coming in. What the hell? The floor's like imploded. Wait a minute. Oh, light. Oh, this one goes on a bit longer. They're old toilets. We used to wee in them or poo in them. Yeah, but they were in the toilet areas, and there was just a little curtain behind them. Yeah.
How did you wipe your hands?
Same way as you do now.
What, paper?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Another entrance.
Let's go the other way.
It's pretty big though, isn't it?
Let's go the other way.
Look, 23rd, 41. And that one says 23rd, 11, which is not that long ago.
What's that?
It says a swear word. Come on. Oi.
Wait, is it you?
No, come on.
Yeah, it was a couple to you. Why didn't you say that in the books? Swear word up. I guess they got me wow. Is that what they're with?
No, it's probably just all rubbish in there now.
This one's bigger than the other one.
Yeah.
There's a can.
Old one.
There's like open.
Somebody cut that open with a knife, and they had like beans in there, or food, and then they ate it. And they was hungry when they was dead.
What's that?
That's that silence thing.
There's a bit of wood. There's a bit of wood there. There's a cup on it. Some cans. And the way out. Yeah, back up. Here you go.
Right, shine that torch on that sign there. I want to film that sign again.
What, on that?
Yeah.